What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at some more HackerRank. Now, before I get into this, I want to remind you guys what the objective of this series is to get to the highest rank in HackerRank. Right now we're ranked 2 million, around 2 million, which is crazy absurd. We can do way better, right? So we're going to try our very best. Now we're going to be looking at the print functions. And before I get into this, I also want to say if you're looking for a internship or job in tech, check out the top link in the description. And if you are enjoying this series, please like and subscribe. But let's go ahead and solve this challenge. So the included code stub will read an integer n. Without using any string methods, try to print the following: 1 through n. Note, this represents the dot represents the consecutive values in between. Print the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first line contains an integer n. Alright, so what we're going to do, so we will just do, while, so we'll do I equals 1, right, because it starts out at 1. So I is equal to 1. And then we'll do while I is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to n, print I plus equals 1. And that should do it. So let's see if that works. Run code. And we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, because it prints a new line every time. Because the prints a new line. Okay. Without any spaces. Okay. Let's see. Print. I know in Java it's just print system.out.print it, and then if you want like a new line, it's println. In Python, actually don't know what it is, so we're gonna take a look really quick. Okay. How do I not print a new line in Python while using the print function? So we do end equals just empty quotes. Okay. So go back here and we'll do end equals empty quotes, and I'll run the code. And it works. So if we do end equals empty quotes, it'll basically make it so we don't print out a space or a new line or a space, anything. Let's go back to our line. What if we do put a space? What happens then? Well, we get spaces. It's actually very, very interesting. So yeah, I actually did not know that while using Python my entire life. It's actually interesting. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.